Hi friends, welcome back to your English Linguist, where we have fun learning every day. Today we're learning about phonics sounds of digraphs kn, wr, and gn. Kn makes the n sound with a silent k at the beginning of words. It is used in words like knife, knee, and knock. The k is not pronounced, only the n is heard. The wr phonics sound typically makes the r sound, with the w being silent. It often appears at the beginning of words. Examples: right, wrist, wrestle, wrong, rap. The gn sound usually has a silent g when it appears at the beginning of words. The n is pronounced, and the g is not heard. Examples: gnome, gnaw, gnat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.